Alright guys, welcome back to my channel. As you can see, finally we have a whole transmission assembly right here. So a whole core that we're going to start assembling. As you can see, it's bare except this shaft over here, which is your output shaft. Of course, we have our trusty manuals right here and the laptop. We're going to go all the way up to the first procedure we're going to do. And that's the installing the low reverse clutch gasket and piston. So here's the gasket, right? We're gonna put this in the oil a little bit. Put it like that. Alright. And then we're gonna lay it down in there. The holes have to align, right? If it doesn't align one side, then you probably got it wrong like I did, and you're gonna have to take it out and do it again. Be careful not to damage it. Then we're gonna turn it this way. Alright. There we go. These three have aligned. And there's the fourth one, right? There it is. Align those holes like that. Then we have a brand new piston. This is actually called, one second. It's called, this is called lower low reverse clutch piston retainer. So that's what it's called. Alright. We're gonna place that in there. Make sure you align it 100% so you don't damage it with those Torx screws, which are these. We're gonna put 3 of them. Like that one. This one. Just put it right there. Let me grab my Torx. Hopefully one of them will fit. There we go. That one. All mess everywhere. Do I have any 1/4-inch extensions? Doesn't look like I do. Oh, there is one right here. This one. And the next one. All right. It says It says to torque the bolts. I think right here. £40 right there. Alright, but we're gonna torque it by hand. What? And there's the next one. Alright, so that's been torqued. Next, it tells us to install low reverse clutch piston, which is this bad boy right here. But this piston has a O-rings. We're gonna replace that with the new one. There's two of them actually. Alright. Inspect it. See if it's dirty. Get a rag. Clean it. Alright. New O-rings. Slide it in. It's one in. And then a smaller one, which goes in here. Chrysler. Chrysler sign. Fits in there, of course. make sure that this is all clean, right? There is a little filter right here. Make sure you clean that as well. Check it out. This clutch, lower reverse piston can go in only one way. All right. There is a notch in there. Let me see where I can find it. Right here. If I can point it right here, it goes like that. So we're gonna lubricate these O-rings so they go in easier. Of course, the outer one too. Let's go again. It's easy to recognize it where it goes, because this right here and this, because that's your right there, that's your oil channel, and that's your bolt right there, and there's a little hole right there that this thing goes. So this goes like that in there. All right. Right? Am I doing it right? Yeah. Goes like that. In there. Kind of had to apply a little bit of pressure because of that rubber seal, both of them actually. Okay, so that's installed. Next is our return spring, which we're gonna get it right here. 1 second, right there. Return spring. So they want you to, it says right here on the computer, compressor spring, blah 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 blah. It says lay the low reverse return spring into the case, inner fingers, which is these, fingers ends facing up, which is like that. The outer edges facing down. So it goes like that, right? So now it tells us to use a spring or the O-ring. You already can see on this one where it was before. So now we're gonna put that in there. But how do you put it in there? Well, it tells us to use a compressor tool, which you attach it on these ends, right here and right there, and then you screw it in and compress this whole spring in there, which you can use one of the tools that I made last time, and you can push it in there, right? So you can attach this one. So now I'm gonna try doing it without it. Let's see if I will make it. Flathead. I doubt it, but hey, never hurts to try. gonna work.